In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bullet points in Google Docs. So if that sounds interesting to you, then keep on watching. Now I have a Google Docs document open, and in which I have a list of the days name, and I want to make them bullet points. So first of all, I need to select all the points for which I want to make the bullets, and then from the toolbar menu I need to come here, which is the bulleted list, and from here you will have the different options of the bullets, like the circle, the arrow, and the star. I would select this arrow, and once you will click that, all your points will have the bullets. Now if I want to make the sub bullets, for example, if I write this as a week 1 and I want all these days to become a sub bullet, all I need to do is select them again and just press the tab, and they will get a bullet points. And if I want to increase the distance between the bullet and the letters, I can just move this bar. It will bring this bullet towards the left side and would increase the distance between the first letter and the bullet. Like in this case, I move this to the start of the margin. So this is how you can add bullet points in Google Docs. If you want to see more Google Docs tutorial, we have a playlist which will be displayed at the end screen card and would be available in the first link in the description below. In any case, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel.